Hey y'all, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Danielle. Welcome to the family. It's my favorite time of the season. I say that every time we do these boxes. It's FabFitFun time, guys. It's winter FabFitFun time. And I just got this fabulous box. And as we always do, I am here to open it with you guys right here live. I'm going to tell you guys everything that's in it, how much everything is, and then the total value of the box. I am an annual member, so I pay a chunk sum of money. I think it's $180 a year to get all 4 boxes that are in total probably triple the value of what I pay. And it's awesome. As you guys know, with every FabFitFun box, there is a charity or foundation involved with each box. So for this season, it's appropriate that Toys for Tots is this season's charity and foundation. Toys for Tots is a 74-year-old national charitable program run by our U.S. Marine Corps Reserve. They provide happiness and hope to less fortunate kids during each Christmas holiday season. The toys, books, and other gifts collected and distributed by our Marines and their volunteers during the Christmas season offer these children recognition, confidence, and a positive memory for a lifetime. So I donated $20, but how the donation happens this year through add-ons is you could donate $5, and that gifts a ball or some sort of sports equipment, or the $15 does a bike or a scooter. So I did one of each, but I think the $20 is then something else, and then $100 and so forth and so forth. So it's a perfect time of the year for Toys for Tots to be the charity and foundation involved with FabFitFun. You guys ready? Are you ready? I'm ready. Here's the beautiful box. I mean, we've got the blue, we've got the green. It's beautiful. I love the snowflakes and I love the overall detail. I think my favorite part of every FabFitFun box is just how it looks and the overall design of it and how much creativity goes into it, guys. All right, we're opening this bad boy up and we're gonna get started. All right, right up at the top as always, we got our stickers for this season, which are so cute. We have our FabFitFun coupon that we can give $15 off for someone's first FabFitFun box, and then of course the magazine that we get every box, and it goes through all of the different products in here, recipes, so many cool things for each holiday season, and then of course a chance to win a trip. We love a good trip, guys. All right, and then of course with the other stuff in the box, we do get Bright Sellers. We have HBO Max this box. We got a coupon, and then of course HelloFresh. Okay, first thing I'm taking out is this Bright Angle. This is an Elixir olive oil bottle, and it is in white. And this is $56. So right off at the top, we have the spout. Boom, baby. This is perfect. And as I'm on my way to be a new homeowner, hopefully here soon, this is nice just to have and like be ready to have in my kitchen. Guys, I'm excited. This is beautiful, and it like perfect. It's like a chalky, but it's really smooth. But yeah, so this is the Bright Angle Pour with Love. I love that. I love that. But this is beautiful, and so very, very excited to have this. I use oil a lot, so this is perfect. All right. Next thing in here is Vahdam, India. So this is tea recovery sampler. This is $25. So in here we have India's original chai tea, sweet cinnamon chai tea, turmeric ginger herbal tea, and vanilla spiced chai tea, and turmeric spiced herbal tea. And so it's a recovery sampler. It's 25 bags, and they all are in here and separated. Each has their own color. But I love this. Like, this is truly... And they give you brewing instructions, they give you everything, all the information, and then they give you all the information about each of the teas, like what's in it. But I love this recovery's tea. It's the perfect time of year. It's getting cooler here, guys. A little chilly, and it's real herbs, real spices, pyramid tea bags. Love this. It's getting cold. We might as well warm up with some tea in the morning. All right, next thing in here, we got some TULA skincare. This is the cult classic Purifying Cleanser, $28. TULA is a big thing in FabFitFun boxes, so it's not a surprise that this is in here. Yep, smells good as always. TULA's really cool, and they have a really, really great brand. It's clean and effective. Get ready for a good skin day every day. A cult favorite, this refreshing gel-based cleanser powered by superfoods removes dirt, impurities, and makeup without stripping or over dyeing. Prebiotics, probiotic extracts, and turmeric leave skin purified, soft, and balanced. So you're supposed to massage onto wet skin and rinse with water. Use 2 times daily, AM and PM. But we love a good TULA with the weather being a little drier now, getting colder. It's really good that we have a face cleanser, purifying face cleanser to keep our skin looking radiant and brilliant this time of year. All right, next thing in here is a Mica beanie with a palm on top. And this beanie is $48. It does have a palm on top. Guys, this is gonna completely mess my hair up, but it's all right. My hair's not right for it today, but I love this and I love the palm. My head is like surprisingly not fitting in this, so I might just scrunch this up more, but it's actually really comfy. It's really warm. In the detail, it's not super heavy. It's not, it's just not too much. It's just right. And the palm adds just a beautiful little detail on top. And of course, you got to have the MK. You got to have the Mica cores on there. FabFitFun's been doing something really cool where they are now doing bundles. Is some of the options that you can do. So the bundle I got was $39. So the first thing in this bundle is the Isaac Mizrahi printed fleece slipper with faux Sherpa lining. And these are in a medium, but they're, oh my God, guys. These are my new house slippers. These are so comfy, and they got the grips on the bottom, which I really, truly appreciate, so you don't slip and fall all over the place when you're walking around the house. But these are so soft, and they're super light, super, super light. But these are beautiful. I can't wait to wear these around the house. And then the other thing in that bundle are these Beanie chocolate bomb makers. Not in a bad way, guys. Not in a bad way. It's chocolate. And the whole point of them is it's basically a tray that you can use to make essentially little chocolate bombs. But they're so cute. And then on the back, they have a swirl right here. So at least one side is swirled. Hot chocolate bomb maker. So we've seen this. You create these, you put them in the hot chocolate, you can fill them with stuff no matter what you want, put them in the hot chocolate, and boom, bang, you've got some hot chocolate bombs to put in your hot chocolate. I'm so excited about this. Okay, because I wanted these last year, but I could not find them anywhere. Now I have them. And that bundle was $39. And then the last thing we have in this bag, so we have the Herschel Supply Company, and this is the Mica tote. This is $59.99. What a beautiful color this is. It's like a dark nude, kind of has purple, dark pink tints to it. But Herschel Company makes really, really amazing bags. And so I'm in love with this. It's got tons of space in here. Tons of space. And then it's even got 2 pockets over here. And I mean, guys, like, this is awesome. And these are super durable bags. Like, they last for a really, really long time, which I appreciate. But I'm so glad I have this because I am kind of in need of a new gym bag or like a errands bag or whatever it may be, travel bag. But this is perfect and will fit just right. All right, so with these 6 items, I told you guys the whole price. This box value is $255.99. Now, once again, I paid $180 for 4 boxes, and this one is over that. FabFitFun is the perfect gift for anybody, especially this time of year. You can gift somebody boxes as well, gift them a subscription, get them all four, whatever it may be. These are incredible boxes to have, and there are so many other resources that they offer that allow you to fully get the FabFitFun feel of it all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Everything you saw in this box will be linked down below, as well as Toys for Tots. So you guys can go and donate yourselves so a kid can get an awesome Christmas and some awesome toys. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, join this awesome family, and I will see you guys back here next time. Bye, y'all.